Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add any watermark into your Word document. So to add any watermark, first let's open our MS Word document. And here you can see, I want to add a watermark in this document or this page right here. So in order to add a watermark, you can simply click on this design tabs right here. Once you are on the design tab, under the page background option, you can see this watermark button. Simply click on it. Now, in this dialog box, it is giving me some confidential watermarks. If you want these watermarks which says confidential or do not copy, you can simply paste them from here, but just by clicking on them. But for example, if you want some other custom watermark apart from all of these listed watermarks, then what you can do is simply click on this custom watermark button right here. Once you click on it, you can choose this text watermark button if you want your watermark to be a text. Then once you select the text watermark, it will ask you for the language in which the watermark text will be applied. So in my case, I am setting it as English only. Then you need to type the text that the watermark will have. For example, let's say watermark. Now it will ask you to choose the font. You can choose any font that you like. For example, I am going with this font right here. Then you can choose the size of this watermark. The best choice is to let it remain to automatic. Then you may also choose the color of the watermark. And here is a semi-transparent option which you should enable, as it would be difficult for the viewer to differentiate between the actual text and the watermark, and it might interfere with the page content. So you may let it remain to semi-transparent. Then the final option is the layout button. If you want your watermark to be a diagonal like this, you can choose diagonal, or if you want it to be horizontal like this, you can choose horizontal. I will let it remain diagonal. So then once I have selected all of these parameters, I can simply click on this apply button. And here you can see, once I close this, that the watermark has been successfully applied to my Word document. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.